Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Realme Neo 7X is not turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, plug in your charger. After plug in your charger, then it will turn on your device because sometime your device will fully low, and then if you plug in your charger then your device will turn on. If it doesn't turn on your device, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.